God have mercy upon us.
Honey, where is the food now? I'm hungry. Please be fast. I'm hungry.
70 years old man. Rich watch and cup of tea. Oh.
Baby, where are you now? Where is the food now? I'm very, very hungry. What's going on?
Funny people.
Who do me like this? Who do me like this?
Where is the food now? I'm hungry. Where are you now?
Where did they worry this one? Who be this
Just want
one?
to chill, but problem will find you coming for where you chilling spot.
How many times would they tell you before you know that?
No.
Now mind, no go touch me.
It's taking you forever to bring the food.
God
No
have
meat.
mercy upon us.
No meat in the food.
Boiling the meat.
This food is very small.
70 years old man. Rich watch and cup of tea. Oh.
This food is too little. It's delicious, but it's too little.
Funny
I can't
people.
take this.
Who
This
do
food is
me
little,
like
please.
this? Who do me like
I
this?
can't.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
God have mercy upon us.